begins amidst lush kiwi orchards, where nature's bounty thrives. Skilled hands meticulously select ripe kiwis, ensuring only the finest fruit continues its journey. Skilled hands carefully harvest ripe kiwi, ensuring quality from the very start. Freshly harvested kiwis embark on their journey to processing. Freshly harvested kiwis arrive, ready for their journey through our state-of-the-art facility. Precision unloading begins, ensuring the integrity of every fruit from farm to factory. The journey begins as an automated tipper gently introduces fresh kiwis into the processing line. Each a ripe oval kiwi fruit with fuzzy, dull brown skin. Its interior reveals vibrant, translucent green. The journey begins as ripe kiwis enter the washing station for meticulous cleaning. Gentle, yet firm, rotating brushes meticulously scrub each fruit, ensuring thorough cleanliness. Ensuring every surface is pristine, kiwis tumble and rotate for a complete, all-around wash. A final freshwater rinse ensures each kiwi is perfectly clean before moving to the next stage. Precision and focus define the work, as each kiwi undergoes careful scrutiny. Every fruit is critical, and unsuitable ones are swiftly identified and removed. Discarded fruit are collected for sustainable repurposing, minimizing waste. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This careful visual inspection guarantees only the finest kiwis proceed. The journey continues, with only the highest quality kiwis progressing to the next stage. Carefully sorted, each kiwi begins its transformation, entering the precision peeling mechanism. The fuzzy brown gives way, revealing the vibrant, smooth, green flesh within. A perfect peel, showcasing the fruit's natural vibrancy and readiness for the next step. Precision and care define each step in crafting our quality kiwi products. Every cut is a testament to the meticulous attention of our skilled American workers. From skilled hands, excellence flows, ensuring premium quality in every kiwi. Efficiency meets excellence, as skilled hands ensure consistent quality in every piece. From every angle, our commitment to quality is visible, ensuring perfection in every trim. Our dedicated team ensures every kiwi meets our unwavering standards of excellence. Precision slicing transforms whole kiwis into perfect, uniform discs, ready for further processing. Each slice showcases the fruit's natural beauty, with its vibrant green flesh and distinctive seed pattern. These carefully prepared slices are now ready for the next stage of their journey, to become delicious canned kiwi. Precision and care define each placement, ensuring every can meets exacting standards. Craftsmanship transforms simple fruit into a work of culinary art. Each slice is carefully positioned, a testament to dedicated artistry.
Good today.
Every can is a masterpiece, crafted by dedicated hands. From hand to can, quality is meticulously preserved. The meticulous packing process ensures visual appeal and premium quality. Precision filling ensures perfect taste in every can. Each can is meticulously prepared for sealing. The journey from orchard to can is one of careful craftsmanship. The meticulously peeled kiwis are gently guided towards the next vital stage, pulping. The pulper awaits, ready to transform the fruit into a smooth, consistent base. Inside, the powerful pulper works to extract the smooth, flavorful kiwi essence. From whole fruit to smooth pulp, the transformation is precise and efficient. The journey of vibrant kiwi begins its transformation into a smooth, delightful pulp. Advanced systems ensure seamless transfer, preserving the kiwi's natural goodness. Towards the blending area, the kiwi pulp is ready for its next stage. The continuous flow ensures efficiency and consistent product quality. Kiwi pulp begins its transformation, entering colossal blending vats where the magic of flavor creation unfold. Automated systems precisely introduce other liquid ingredients, seamlessly blending diverse fruit essences. Inside the vat, the ingredients swirl into a homogeneous blend, a testament to precision engineering. Rigorous quality checks ensure every batch meets the highest standards of excellence. Precision filling ensures every bottle receives the perfect amount of vibrant kiwi smoothie. Multiple nozzles work in unison, ensuring high volume, consistent production. Once filled, bottles seamlessly transition to the next stage of production. A skilled worker fine-tunes the machine, ensuring optimal performance and product consistency. Each bottle, a testament to quality, moves towards final preparation and distribution. Filled with vibrant kiwi, products enter the pasteurization tunnel for crucial heating. Steam ensures stability, safeguarding the quality of every single product. Post-pasteurization, a cooling process gently brings the products to optimal temperature. From heat to cool, each kiwi product is meticulously prepared for consumers. Precision engineering ensures every kiwi can and smoothie bottle is perfectly sealed for freshness. Meanwhile, another line ensures smoothie bottles are securely capped, preserving their natural goodness. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee every stage, guaranteeing product integrity. Every product is rigorously checked to uphold the highest standards of quality. Advanced technology ensures every single kiwi product meets stringent safety and quality benchmarks. Precision labeling ensures every product, from the vibrant canned kiwi to the refreshing smoothie, reflects our commitment. At high speed, our advanced machinery meticulously applies branded labels, ensuring perfect presentation for our kiwi product. Precision robotics ensure every product is handled with utmost care. With fluid motion, finished products are guided towards their protected packaging. The meticulous process ensures products are packed securely for their journey. The automated system ensures a continuous, efficient workflow in the packing department. From fruit to finished case, every step reflects dedication to quality and efficiency. Skilled American workers efficiently move freshly processed goods, maintaining a seamless production flow. Our carefully crafted canned kiwi and refreshing smoothies offer a taste of pure quality, ready to enjoy.
Where industry comes to life.